There are many types of trader in Forex. Each trader has a different type of behavior, and this is normal because every person has a different character. But one thing is very similar, and this is most Forex traders like to get new strategies and indicator. So I have bought an indicator to give you as a gift. I hope you will be able to take maximum advantage from this indicator. So without wasting time, let me introduce you to that indicator. So in today's video, we will first discuss the type of the indicator, secondly the use of this indicator, and last one is how you analyze by this indicator. So stay with us, and you all know that I am an official member of FOREX BD, so watch this video. The indicator that we will share today is called Trend Monitor Indicator. Yes, that's right. This indicator is known as a Trend Monitor Indicator. We all understand the meaning of trend. The market is sometimes downtrend and sometimes uptrend. Think about it. If you ever know when the market trend will change, what will it be like? As you can see, the trend is on a downtrend. The market has built bearish structure for a long time. Now imagine if you knew before the market was created that the market would go down a lot, you would definitely take a sell entry. Maybe you are disappointed and thinking if there isn't such an indicator. But today we will share a strategy where there will be almost an indicator through which you can monitor the trend. In other words, you can understand a lot when the market will go to downtrend and when the market will go to uptrend. So you must remember that indicator's name, and this is Trend Monitor Indicator. So this indicator will be very beneficial for you because surely you understand how much it will help in your trading if you know the trend. This will allow you to be aware of future market trend and trade accordingly. So how to do analysis with this indicator? So you can see this indicator on the screen. We have to set up this indicator in our chart. This indicator is set up below the chart. Through this, you can know about the future trend of the market. Very simple process, just watch this video, then you will understand. Below this indicator, you can see the color part. The green histogram is being created at the top and the red histogram is being created at the bottom. Now many may ask question, what is this? Or many may have understood. But I am saying to you, by this you will easily understand the trend. So those who are still confused, don't worry, I am sharing this. We can see the green histogram above. The green histogram start to be formed only when the market start going uptrend after the downtrend. I am saying again that when the market ends downtrend and start going to uptrend, then green histogram is being created. This means that whenever the green histogram start to form, you will get a signal to go uptrend, so you can take buy entry. For example, if you see the market story, then you can see when the green histogram start, market also start to go uptrend. Histogram are slowly getting bigger, and we can see the market is also going uptrend. So you can see many points like this where the market start to go uptrend when the green histogram started. So whenever you see green histogram on the indicator, you can understand that the market will go uptrend. There are countless points like this, and you can see that the market has started to go uptrend whenever the green histogram has started. Again, when the green histogram ends in the market and the red histogram start to form below, then the market is reacting in the opposite way. That is, the market is starting to go downtrend. For example, if we look at this point, we can see the market. At first glance, the market shows that the market is slowly changing its trend. When the green histogram is coming to end, market is also changing its trend, and when the red histogram start to form, then market is also going to downtrend. This means that when the red histogram is created, the market will signal a downtrend. This is how you can get an idea of the market using this indicator. Now let's talk about how you can get entry through this. So far we have shown how to understand the trend through this indicator. Hopefully you have no problem so far. But in order to take entry, we have to take a little better confirmation. Entry can't be taken only through trend monitor, so we will take the help of moving average for entry. Surely you know how to set up a moving average. One thing to keep in mind is that the moving average that you set up will have a period of 50. I am saying again that the period of moving average will be 50. So now we will analyze with the combination of these two indicators. First, you have to follow the trend monitor indicator. Suppose you see in the trend monitor indicator that a red histogram has been created, which means that the market will go downtrend. Then you have to notice in the moving average. If you see that the price is below the moving average, then you can take sell entry without any confusion. I am saying again, when you see red histogram being made and the market is below the moving average, then you will take a sell order. So this is not too tough. Again, you can take buy entry by the same process. How? So for this, first you have to see trend monitor indicator. So when you see green histogram is being made, then you have to follow moving average. So in the moving average, if you can see the price is above the moving average, then you can take buy entry. I am saying again, there have two rules. First, you have to see a trend monitor indicator. If you see green histogram is being made, then you have to see moving average. And if the price is above the moving average, then you can take buy entry. But remember, if you can see the price is below the moving average, then don't take entry. So this is today's indicator and how you can use. So if you want to know where you can get this trend monitor indicator, how to download and use it, let us know in the comment box. If we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, then we promise we will give this indicator for free. And remember not to take entry by grade. Do the analysis properly. When you get proper entry, then take an entry. Without, don't take entry. So this is today's analysis. So before finishing the video, let's take a look this analysis shortly. So we will take the help of moving average for entry. Surely you know how to set up a moving average. One thing to keep in mind is that the moving average that you set up will have a period of 50. I am saying again that the period of moving average will be 50. So now we will analyze with the combination of these two indicators. First, you have to follow the trend monitor indicator. Suppose you see in the trend monitor indicator that a red histogram has been created, which means that the market will go downtrend. Then you have to notice in the moving average. If you see that the price is below the moving average, then you can take sell entry without any confusion. I am saying again, when you see red histogram being made and the market is below the moving average, then you will take a sell order. So this is not too tough. Lastly, it doesn't matter where you're creating your account. When you create your account, obviously don't forget to use the FOREX BD's link. If you use FOREX BD's link, then you will get numerous benefits. Your account will always be protected. You can use your account with zero spread. You can verify your account with just an ID card. And you can verify your account without deposit in payment gateway. So don't waste time, do your account under FOREX BD's link. So before finishing the video, a humble request to you, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a like and leave a comment in the comment box. And if you want to know any topic about Forex, don't forget to comment in the comment box. FOREX BD obviously by your side 24 hours. So inspire us by liking and leave a comment for your desired information. And don't forget to subscribe so that we can stand by your side. And if we get your support, obviously we will help you whenever you need.